Let's talk about what happens when we replace x with x minus h in a graph. Well, what if we had plugged in 0 in for x in the original graph, we get some y out. To get that same y out, we have to plug in h in for x to get a 0. So what happens is the graph is shifted to the right by h. Let's do an example. We want to graph y equals 1 over x plus 2. Well, the basic underlying graph there is 1 over x, so let's graph that. And reference points are 1, 1, negative 1, 1, see 2, 1/2, and 1/2, 2. Odd function, so it's symmetric with respect to the origin. And there it is. So y equals 1 over x plus 2 is like x minus a negative 2. So we replaced this x with an x minus negative 2. So this is going to go right by negative 2, which is the same as left 2. So 1, 1 is now negative 1, 1. 2, 1/2 is going to be 0, 1/2. 1/2, 2 will go here. So, and then the y-axis, we can shift that to the left, so we're going to shoot up as we approach x equals negative 2. There it is. Let's replace a y with y minus k and see what happens. What used to happen when y equals 0, now we are going to have to put in k in to get that same behavior. So we're shifting up by k. Let's do an example. Let's take y equals x, and we're going to replace the y by y minus 2. Typically we'll write that as y equals x plus 2. So let's graph y equals x. That's our underlying graph. That's a line that goes through the origin and has slope 1. So reference points would be 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1. And then y equals x plus 2, we're going to shift up by 2. So 0, 0 becomes 0, 2, 1, 1 becomes 1, 3, and negative 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1 becomes negative 1, 1. And I need to indicate my scaling. There it is.